We have imagined ourselves over and over in this distant magical land and asked, how will it feel? What will we see? And of course, how could we capture it on camera? But the truth is, there was nothing that we could do to prepare ourselves for what came next. This place completely surprised us and made us think about life in an entirely different way. And here's why. The entire trip was amazing, but what happened next was truly memorable. Hi guys, my name is Fabio.
Hi, my name is Rafaela.
We are the ones that create all the content that you see on this YouTube channel.
If you like our videos, please subscribe, hit the like button and comment below.
And don't forget to follow us on social media that you can find on the description.
Thank you for watching.
Thanks.